Today, beta, I am going to teach you the accounting treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement of a partner. When one partner is going to retire, what should be the treatment of goodwill in that case? Two entries are there. One, if goodwill already appears or exists. If it is given in the question that goodwill already appears and exists in the firm, appears or exists in the firm, then what entry we have to pass? Old partners capital account debit, old partners capital account debit to goodwill. We just have to write off the old existing goodwill. Old goodwill written off in old ratio. For this bache, we will use a ratio that is called old ratio. Suppose three partners are there, A, B, C, we will write A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to goodwill. Old goodwill will be written off to the old partners in old ratio. This is the first treatment of goodwill when goodwill already appears. This is we have already studied in admission chapter. If goodwill already appears or exists in the firm, or it is appearing in the balance sheet, if balance sheet is given to you and it is appearing on the asset side of the balance sheet, then you have to write off first of all. Old goodwill will be written off in old partners old ratio. Old partners capital account debit to goodwill account. This is the accounting treatment of this goodwill. If goodwill already appears, then what entry we have to pass? If date is given, we will write the date. Otherwise, the entry will be old partners capital account debit to goodwill. Now, at retirement of a partner, we generally follow one rule: remaining partners capital account debit, remaining partners capital account debit to retiring partner capital account. Share of goodwill given to retiring partner in gaining ratio. This is the only difference. Here we will use the gaining ratio. But two journal entries are there for the treatment of goodwill. Maximum two. If goodwill already appears, then we have to do old partners capital account debit to goodwill. But if at the time of retirement, we have to pass one journal entry, and that is remaining partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital account. How we will pass this entry? Have a look on illustration number 16. Make a format of journal. PQR are equal partners. You are having three partners PQR and they are equal partners. R retires. Just put a circle on the person who is retiring. R retires and the goodwill of the firm is valued 360. The total goodwill is already given to you. That is 360. No goodwill account appears. So there will be no first entry. Means no goodwill account appears in the books. P and Q agree to share future profits in the ratio 3:2. Now bache, old ratio is given to you, new ratio is given to you. You have to calculate gaining ratio by subtracting the old from new. First of all, have a look on the journal entry. If three partners are there, P, Q and R. R is retiring. Your entry will become P's capital account debit, Q's capital account debit to R's capital account. The person who is retiring will be credited. Remaining partner's capital account debit to retiring partner's capital account. You just have to remember one formula, that is remaining to retiring. Now, what amount we are going to give to R? His share only, not the whole goodwill of the firm. Generally, students do this mistake. Not the whole goodwill of the firm. We will just give the share, his share. 360 into 1 by 3, that is 1,20,000. 1 by third part of 360. 360 is the goodwill of the whole firm, and R will get his own share only. That means 1/3 of 360, it will be 1,20,000. And it will be given in the gaining ratio. R's share of goodwill will be given by old partners in gaining ratio. Now, when we will calculate the gaining ratio, old minus new, new minus old, it will be 4:1. So, we will divide this in the ratio 4:1. You can do it new minus old. Then we will calculate gaining ratio, and in gaining ratio we have to divide this goodwill. So simple journal entries is this, that if no goodwill account appears, only one journal entry will be there, and that is remaining to retiring. Have a look on 17th illustration now. A, B, C, three partners are there. 3:1 is their ratio. Goodwill is appearing. Appearing goodwill is given 2,40,000. And then B retires. The person who is retiring is B. Goodwill is valued on that date. Valued goodwill is 6 lakh. A and C decided to share future profits in the ratio 3:2. Old ratio is given to you, new ratio is given to you. Old goodwill and new goodwill is given to you. First of all, we have to write off the old goodwill in old partners, old ratio. A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to goodwill account. Old goodwill written off in old ratio. So old goodwill was 2,40,000. It was appearing in the books, and the old ratio was 3, 2 and 1. When we will divide, it will be 120, 80 and 40. Now the second goodwill remaining to retiring. Remaining are A and C, retiring is B. So we will write A's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to B's capital account. And again we will calculate the share of B, not the whole goodwill we are going to give to B. 2 by 6 means 2 lakh rupees we will give to B. B's share of goodwill given by A and C in gaining ratio. You have to calculate now new minus old. And when you will calculate, you will get the ratio 3:7. Now this 2 lakh will be divided in the ratio 3:7. Any doubt, bache?